Time is a limited resource. Successful individuals allocate their time efficiently to maximize productivity and achieve their goals. Fourth, resilience. Top achievers face setbacks and failures but bounce back stronger. Resilience is about perseverance and adapting to change. It's a crucial trait that helps you navigate obstacles on your path to success. Lastly, networking and collaboration. Top achievers build strong networks and collaborate with others. Networking opens doors to new opportunities, while collaboration fosters creativity and collective achievement. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can pave the way for your success. Remember, it's not just about what you do occasionally, it's about what you do consistently. Which of these habits will you start implementing today? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving your goals. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.
おはようございます。